Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple process of changing the background in the Viber app on your phone. Customizing your chat background can make your conversations more personal and visually appealing. Whether you want a fresh look or just want to try something new, first, open the Viber app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right, tap on More. This will open a menu with several options. Next, tap on Settings to access the app's settings. Then, scroll down until you find the Appearance option and click on it to open your display settings. After that, scroll down again until you see Change Default Background. Tap on this option to see a variety of backgrounds you can choose from. Browse through the available backgrounds and select the one you like the most. As soon as you select your preferred background, it will update instantly. Finally, to make sure the background has been changed, go back to your messages. You will notice your new background appearing behind your chat bubbles, giving your conversations a refreshed look. Thanks for watching.